So I'm using this thing called PROMPTHUNT, and it's actually really cool, prompthunt.com. I'll put the link in another video for you on Medium where I'm posting my blogs. But I wanted to share what I've done, and I love this little guy. He's really cute. These are the prompts that I've used. Now, what I'm doing is I'm actually going into a prompt generator and I'm looking at how other people are prompting. And so I did Pixar first because I think Pixar was easier. But this is something like I wrote down, this is my prompt, Dougie, a Pixar film poster with the text, I probably need a robot. Now, this is what it came out with. IARTA something junior ID 10 volt. Like it didn't understand. So I don't think it understands that text yet. It understands what a picture should look like, but I don't think it understands putting text onto a picture. Like, for example, this one, 3S Donto Adley or whatever. Like, this was a Pixar film poster called Dougie, right? So the poster is called Dougie. Now, I saw this done in another photo thing where this prompt was like, it showed a Pixar film and it was called Matches. But you can tell, like, this is old man holding a robot on a leash. I wanted to just see how this would work. It doesn't work. So there's a lot of other things, like this one came out really cute, an African-American mermaid robot, but it's not a mermaid. But this came out kind of cool, even though it's not a mermaid. And then I did older women, gray-haired women. So this is actually really cool. Now this one I did not do. I just copied it over to see how it would work. And then I worked on these as well. So this is what I'm doing to figure out PROMPTHUNT and also to see if I can't get more really cool visuals for my blog. Obviously, this one didn't work out. Pixar potato with two big ears. Now, like, obviously this is not working. So it didn't like the potato, and I was trying to make a Mrs. Potato Head, but something different, but it just didn't work out. So there you go. That's my latest and greatest on how to use PROMPTHUNT, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, also, I'm leaving a link for my new rap poem, so check it out. I love it, and I think you will too. Bye.